I actually have two websites with Real Geeks. That's how much I like it, you see. So you have so many options to look for properties depending on your style. And it's so funny because sometimes you have agents telling their clients, go to Elizabeth's website to look for properties. Something that I love about Real Geeks is they're always way ahead of the game.
We need technology to help us identify who are the people that we need to be spending more time with, who are the people that we need to be spending less time with. There's nobody that we need to spend no time with, but we need to understand where the low-hanging fruit is. And through tools like advanced search filters and workflows, we can monitor engagement and we know who we need to invest our time with now and who we may need to wait on and maybe talk to in 3 to 4 months from now.
So as a solo agent, I used several different CRMs prior to finding Real Geeks. When I grew my team, I needed a CRM that was a little bit more robust. I'm a huge fan. It's a great system. And from me having used at least 9 or 10 other systems before, Real Geeks is the one that we use the most and that we've had the longest, and it's been the best price.
What would you say to someone who doesn't believe in internet leads?
I would say to them that my team last year closed out a $1.8 million internet lead, a $3.2 million internet lead, and a $1.1 million internet lead.
Let's say. Okay.
So if you want to just get something that's cheap, that you put your face up and say, I have a website, I wouldn't use Real Geeks. If I want to monetize the internet and I want to build a scalable business that as an individual agent or somebody with multiple agents, I have the ability to scale based on my needs, and I want a technology partner that's going to be reliable, you're not going to find better. I've done the research and I can confidently stand behind it as somebody who's made millions partnering with this company.
We have 14,000 leads. So just like we got the transatlantic pipeline here where we got barrels of oil being funneled in, I was amazed at how much oil was coming out of the other end of the line with Real Geeks, right? It was like I couldn't keep up with the amount of barrels of oil going in the funnel.
Once you go through, 100, 1,000 leads, 5,000 leads, or all these calls, you have the opportunity to, make $15, $20 million from a single lead that signed up to your Real Geeks website. I've seen everything that's out there, not just from a cost perspective, but Real Geeks offers the bread and butter of the business. It gives you what you need, and then it's up to you to decide how much effort you're going to put in to be able to close all this. So I would recommend Real Geeks to anybody that's out there looking for a system.
I like being able to go in and seeing everything on one screen. With some systems like NetSuite and some others that I've used, you have to click on this and click on that to see everything. With the CRM system that Real Geeks has, you can see everything on one page. So I can see all of the notes that I've sent, all of the correspondence, because I'm putting it in there. I've got thousands of leads. So I think the Real Geeks system, it works. It works for me.